What's going on, everybody? Happy Tuesday. I hope you all had a great day. For those of you who are new to this channel, my name is Sajid and this is Mass Precision Trading, where I want to create a community of like-minded individuals who are willing to take that step into investing in themselves and investing into their future. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into what today is about. Today we are going to be looking at what a candlestick is and what a candlestick chart looks like. So if you remember yesterday, I was looking at a chart that had all these different lines on them. Those lines are simply indicators, and they're there to guide you and help you, give you an idea on when to buy and when to sell, when the market is oversold, overbought, or when it's crowded for that stock and for the market. So I use indicators and they give me a good idea on what it is that I am doing and where the direction is going. But if we're looking at Apple right here, this ticker symbol, I removed all the indicators, and this is just called naked price action, where here we have the volume at the bottom that we're not worried about right now, but this is just naked price action, and these are candlesticks. A lot of people are very intimidated by this, but it's really very so simple on what candlesticks are. So let's go ahead and get into ticker symbol AAPL. This right here is a bullish little formation that it was doing. Bullish means that it's just charging up. Bullish is up and green, and bearish is down and red. So right here, bullish, 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 and then we have that bearish candle. So let me tell you guys what bullish is. Now if we're looking at a candlestick, we have this real body right here where it tells you the price action within that time period. Right now we're on the 1 minute, 1 day chart. We are able to customize that, but right now we're at the 1 day, 1 minute chart. So each one of these candlesticks, it's just 1 minute and what that stock did, what price action it went through in that 1 minute. So when you're opening at green, it's obviously at the bottom, opens, and it's surging up. And that 1 minute, it closes at the top, and then right here is the body, and that's the time period. Now bearish, same situation, but the stock is opening right here, and it's going downwards. So the close is down here, and the body is around here. And in between this is still just the time period and the price action within that minute or whatever time period you have selected. So a lot of the times you may look at something that looks nothing like that, but they're called wicks right here, the thing that spikes out of them. Wicks has a few different names, shadows and whatnot, but wicks basically means the highest and lowest that the stock went through during that time period. So right here, it was at the lowest point, which could be $5, and then right here it went to $10. That's the top, $10. And the same thing right here, this is the lowest and this is the highest that stock was at. Sometimes it may not have the wicks. It could be simple and it may not have that. Let me try and find something that is pretty much like that. Right here, prime example, it doesn't have any wicks, but that is okay. Now you'll also see something that looks like this, which is a doji candle. Dojis are basically something that opens at the same or near the price that it was at and closes at the same or near price that it was at. It has no real body, and it looks something like these three things right here. So that pretty much sums up what a candlestick is, what candlestick charts look like, and this is it. So once again, red is bearish, green is bullish, and it's bulling up, and this was bearish, it was going down. Bearish, bullish. Top of the price, the lowest of the price, and then vice versa, same thing for the bearish. And we have our doji right here, which was pretty much the same price as you can see. And that pretty much is what candlesticks are. It's very simple, but people are misunderstood by them and intimidated by them. But really, they're so simple and they're so friendly. They're there to help you, and you're able to switch time periods. So if I wanted to look at the 5 minute, 5 day charts, this is the last 5 days of Apple, but each candle now represents 5 minutes, how that price action was within 5 minutes. And then vice versa, we could go ahead and look at the 4 hour, 180 day chart of Apple, and now each candlestick represents 4 hours of price action. So candlesticks is very simple. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment DM me, email me, whatever works best for you. I will surely make a video on what your question is about. Tomorrow we will be discussing what volume is and what moves a company stock, what moves the stock price in general. So that's pretty much all I got today for you guys as far as candlesticks go. Pretty much simple, self-explanatory when you get the hang of it. Very easy to identify different bullish and bearish patterns that will get more complex as you begin to trade a lot more and identify patterns more. But that pretty much is the sum of what a candlestick is. And if you guys are looking at right here, this is pretty much just after hours, which means the price was only here for like a quick second. It just popped up. So it's no full real body or none of that. It's just nice little dojis, quick ones. And that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for your time. I appreciate it like always. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. And we'll get back at it tomorrow. I hope you guys all have a great rest of your day. And like always, thank you for your time. Later, traders.